Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we saw some more showers overnight. Still some ongoing rain in eastern Nebraska here, but no severe weather threat, not even really much of a big thunderstorm threat out there. Now, before we get to your forecast here, I want to talk about storm spotter classes. There are 3 left in the viewing area that I am aware of. Although, I mean, certainly we could see 1 or 2 more added, but at this point I'm aware of 3. 1 going on today, that is the Buffalo County class that will be taking place up in Ravenna at the fire station. That will start at 6:30 this evening, then a couple of classes next week in Elma and in Stuart. So as always, I would certainly encourage you to attend if you're going to be in one of these areas, or even if you want to travel a little bit, because this is your last chance to get to one of these classes here. Again, those classes next Monday and Wednesday in Elma and in Stuart. So there are your storm spotter classes. Again, now on to the rain that continues to fall in eastern Nebraska. That will continue to lift to the north, so most of us farther southwest will actually see a dry morning. Not much of a chance of rain, just a very small chance around the Tri-Cities, maybe even a little bit of sun farther southwest, although some fog has been a little bit of issue in some spots like Lexington. Now, as we get into the afternoon, we may actually see some pop-up showers and isolated thunderstorms during the afternoon hours, so it's still out of the question to see a little bit more rain. The main batch of rain still does remain in northeastern Nebraska associated with that low, and that's kind of the one that will remain prevalent overnight tonight, because these pop-up showers and isolated thunderstorms will actually kind of fade away as we lose the heating of the day this evening here around sunset. So the main area of showers will be closer to that area of low pressure around, in eastern or western Iowa, but again, maybe even some showers are still as far west as the Tri-Cities. Then they start to kind of clear out later on in the night, outside maybe a lingering shower in eastern Nebraska. Clouds will clear out tomorrow. A breezy north wind, but a nice day, warmer day with highs closer to the 70-degree mark. So overall, not too bad of a day out there. And this is the only forecast model I've seen that's actually showing rain in eastern Nebraska, so maybe a couple of pop-up light showers, but I think that's at worst. I think most of us will see plenty of sunshine for your Thursday. Highs for today, it will be a fairly cloudy one up to the north, a chance of some showers, still mid to upper 50s for highs. Out west, maybe a few peaks of sun after some early fog in a few spots, and then a small chance of rain and thunderstorms this afternoon, highs in the lower 60s, low 60s and low to mid 60s in northern Kansas, upper 50s to around 60 in south central Nebraska, mostly cloudy and a chance of some thunder showers this afternoon. Some morning rain out there to the east, and then maybe a small chance of some showers and isolated thunderstorms this afternoon, highs in the upper 50s and lower 60s, and also a slightly breezier day in eastern Nebraska. The rest of your forecast, we'll be looking at lower 70s tomorrow with more sunshine returning. Lots of sun on Friday, highs again in the lower 70s. Then it's low 80s on Saturday. Next chance of rain and shower and isolated thunderstorm chances. Only a 20% chance for Saturday night through Sunday night. Touch cooler on Sunday, but still not bad. We cool things back a little bit more on Monday. See a dry day before more showers and thunderstorms come through with a stronger cold front Monday night through Tuesday night. That, again, it brings the better chance of showers and thunderstorms, and we'll cool things back. 60 may be going too high. In fact, much of the middle of next week, we'll be looking at 50s for highs and maybe only looking at 30s for lows, which, of course, then does bring up the possibility of maybe some sub-freezing temperatures during the overnight hours, something we'll have to keep an eye on, because, of course, you start to push towards the end of April, and you don't really want to start to see those freezing temperatures as a growing season is kind of starting to begin in some locations. So, again, there is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.